Elon Musk visited Hillsboro this week and met with the CEO of Intel and toured the facilities. The tech billionaire posted about his trip on X, saying he toured one of Intel's semiconductor fabrication facilities in Oregon. Intel is partnering with SpaceX and Tesla to operate a massive new AI chip plant in Texas. The project is expected to cost about $120 billion and aims to help the companies secure supply chain control over the manufacturing of AI chips. In his social media post, Musk wrote he is looking forward to partnering with Intel in the future. And more good news for Intel. Apple and Intel may be close to a major deal that could change how iPhone chips are made. The Wall Street Journal reports Intel could soon manufacture some chips for Apple devices, giving Apple an alternative to its current supplier, TSMC. Analysts say growing demand for AI technology is pushing tech giants to find more chip-making capacity. Intel shares jumped nearly 14% after the Wall Street Journal's report. It comes after the company's stock prices surged 114% in April.